The type of litter you use plays a key role in maintaining a clean and odor-free environment for both your home and your cat. Clumping and non-clumping litter are two of the most common types used. While both serve the same basic purpose, they differ in how they handle moisture, odor, and daily cleaning. Non-clumping litter absorbs moisture without forming clumps, which means you may need to replace the entire litter more frequently to avoid dampness. This can make the litter box more labor-intensive to maintain, and it may leave your cat's area less hygienic. Clumping litter forms solid clumps when it comes into contact with moisture, making it easy to scoop out urine and wet spots. This makes daily maintenance simpler, as only the soiled parts need attention. Clumping litter is generally easier to clean daily, because you only remove the clumps and leave the rest of the litter untouched. This method ensures the remaining litter stays dry and fresh, making the box more inviting for your cat. Non-clumping litter requires more effort, as wet areas cannot be scooped. It may require partial or full litter changes more often. This increases the time and energy needed for upkeep, and can sometimes result in unpleasant odors lingering in the box. Non-clumping litter can absorb odor initially, but may not lock it in, causing stronger smells over time if not changed regularly. As a result, frequent full litter changes are needed to maintain freshness. Clumping litter often contains ingredients that trap and control odors within the clumps, keeping the litter box fresher between cleanings. This helps maintain a more pleasant environment in your home and minimizes strong smells in enclosed spaces. For households with multiple cats, clumping litter is usually more convenient, as it allows you to remove waste continuously without replacing the entire box. This makes it easier to maintain multiple litter boxes and keeps all areas cleaner for longer periods. Non-clumping litter can become saturated quickly in multi-cat homes, requiring more frequent full changes. This can be challenging to manage, especially if you have limited time for cleaning. Non-clumping litter may track more easily, leading to additional daily cleaning around the litter box area. Loose granules can spread quickly across carpets or tiles, requiring constant sweeping or vacuuming. Clumping litter is less likely to stick to your cat paws or scatter around the house, as the litter granules are designed to stay together. This reduces mess outside the litter box and keeps floors cleaner, making daily cleaning easier. Overall, clumping litter proves to be much easier to clean daily, as it allows you to remove only the soiled portions, while keeping the rest of the litter fresh, minimizing effort, mess, and odors.